Hey everyone, so I'm just going to be reviewing here this Steve Madden backpack. I guess it's called a Steve Madden utility backpack. This one that I specifically got comes in this green, nice little army green color with brown accents. Just right off the bat, you can notice that these brown accents are leather. And actually, wow, are they leather or some sort of synthetic feel to it, but it does feel like a nice leather. And they actually are like pretty high quality. When you take a look at them, a lot of the supports on them are going to be really nice and high quality. They're going to have these rivets here that are actual real, and you can actually feel them on the inside. All the other metal accents are real as well too, so it kind of gives like a nice high-end look and feel to it, even though, you know, price-wise it's not going to be that expensive. So let's just kind of dive right into it. So it has one pocket, and you kind of just open up. Oh, another reminder here is that, so the way these guys close here, these little magnets, these little metal magnets that go into each other, and they just slip right in. Of course, it's not gonna work right now, right? There we go. See, so it slips right in. It's a nice tight feel to it. Open it up. This small little thing here. When you go in, see, nice little pocket here. You can put like quite a few things. If you want to travel with this, I personally traveled with it. It's nice because you can put a few things into it, especially if you want like a hand carry. This works for that as well too. Just one word of caution: if you do use this to travel, it can get a little bulky. So, you know, depending on your preference or wherever you're traveling or what plane you're using, it can get a little bulky. Anyways, so here in the front here, you can fit like a couple of things here. If I'm usually away somewhere, I usually put my charger, things like that, small little items that are not of high value, because I'm always cautious, because here on the side here, people can still get in, things like that. So as you notice, this same lining here, this blue lining, is going to be the same lining that's on the other side there as well. So that's going to be a nice little feature to it. It gives like a nice little vintage feel to it. So let's kind of dive in here. Actually, before we do that, let's look at the back real quick. The back is very interesting because when you flip it over, it has, the front has like a nice classy look. The back is a little more sporty. Not that it's a complaint, but just a reminder there. It has these nice paddings, which are great, especially if you're a kid, depending on whatever you're carrying. You're always going to be comfortable with it. One nice thing as well too is that, I don't know if you guys, when you guys use backpacks, these things here are curved, so that way you can actually use this even to work out, to jog, things like that. So it's actually nice because it stays right on your body. It doesn't move around. You have like extra room, depending on how big you are, a lot of room in there. But a nice feature is these comfy pads that you can see here that are just amazing. They go pretty deep in there, and this stays right up against your lower back, and this stays up against your shoulder blades, which is always a nice little feel to it. One other item out here is this headphone jack here. If you choose to use it, go ahead. I personally haven't used it, never really needed to in that sense. So let's just gonna flip it over here and just open this up. So right off the bat, like I told you earlier, it's gonna have that lining there. This actually closes. Let me show you how this works. So this closes just like that. And then one thing that you have to do, you have to remind yourself, is like to put this little extra guy, you kind of just tuck him in. I don't like to leave it out, because when you bring it down, it's going to be just like all over the place, and you can get caught up or snug up somewhere. So let's just open it up, show you guys how the inside looks. Looks very interesting actually. So it's not too terribly complicated. In here. It's just going to have two main pockets. No zipper or anything like that, but at least this guy here that you have in here actually is a nice little soft padding, so that way at least whatever you put in between each other are not going to scratch or anything like that. Then we have here, let's go ahead here, on the side here you have a small little place where you can put your cell phone, which is conveniently located. Actually, it's not conveniently located. Well, there you go. Now that's one little, oh, there it is. So that hole that I showed you earlier here, that's for the headphone jack. It's going to be close to this pocket here as well too. So if you want to put your cell phone in there while you're jogging, you could do that. This opens up. It's, you know, it's pretty small, honestly. Don't know what kind of phone would fit in there. I'd be worried. I personally haven't used it, but I'd be worried if it kind of just jumbles up and down. So that's one thing to remember. We have one other thing here in the side here as well too. Same pocket, right? This actually is. It's roughly the same size. I mean, you can't really see in there because it's a little dark. But in here, you know, if you do want to separate any items, and sometimes I do, I actually use this as a computer bag, because I put my computer in here, and then I put in this little pocket here, I put the chargers and the cables that are necessary. But one thing, like I said earlier, just to mention, is that, see, if you make this a little too big, if you stuff too many things in here, it can get a little bulky. So depending on your preference, just want to be careful with that. But I use this personally as a computer bag. It works for me. This is, again, the Steve Madden utility backpack. Comes in many colors, so enjoy.